go to CommSec. Tom Piotrowski joined us live for a look at the opening today. What can punters expect?
Pete, we can expect a weaker open this morning. The futures are telling us that the ASX 200 will be down by about 1/3%. The trend that we saw in the Northern Hemisphere was largely down last night. US and European markets ending lower. On Wall Street, the S&P 500 lost 1/3%. The Nasdaq down by about a 1/10%. We threaded the needle on some important inflation figures last night. The producer inflation numbers were higher than expected, but the market took a zen-like approach to that. The main hurdle will be the CPI figures, which will be released tonight. So important not to understate the importance of that. So today, as we look at our own market, we saw the US dollar encroach onto those 20-year highs that we're quite familiar with. So that was putting downward pressure on many commodity prices last night. So that's an area that we might be looking at today. And also on the balancing side of that, yesterday bank stocks performed extraordinarily well thanks to some encouraging figures out of the Bank of Queensland. Their net interest margin held up quite effectively, and that has translated to a groundswell of optimism. So it's just a question of whether or not that positive momentum which we saw yesterday for financials will translate today. As I said, the commodity complex is going to be important in terms of the fortunes of the market today.
All right, Tom Piotrowski.